trying to find a truck mount you can afford. So you're looking at used. I do have some advice for you. Even if you don't have all the accessories and stuff like that, if you're stuck on getting a truck mount carpet cleaning machine, and the ticket for a new machine is just a little too high for you, so I understand. There are options, guys. You don't have to get the biggest, baddest truck mount out there on the market. You don't need that. If you're doing residential or small commercial, all you need is a regular little truck mount, like a Boxer 318. You know, Courtney from Truman Steamers, about 90% of his videos when he's carpet cleaning, that's what he used before he upgraded. So yeah, you don't need the biggest, baddest truck mount in the industry to get your carpet cleaning company going. So I just talked to a guy, and he just kind of asked me some advice, subscriber, and he's thinking about getting a Boxer 421, and it's used. So he kind of wanted to get some advice on it. So I gave him some advice, you know. Apparently he's got everything he needs. All he needs is the machine itself. He's got the hoses, solutions, you know, Susan hoses, wands, you know, agitation. He's got everything. He just needs a machine. So he was about to dish out $10,000 on a used Boxer 421. I try to convince him, and I don't know. I mean, it's up to him. It's up to you guys. But there are options, right? So I gave him an option. Save up about $3,000 more. Or try to get a loan for about $3,000 more. Get you a small, brand new truck mount. That way you know you're not going to run into problems with an older one that, say you don't have a mechanic close by. The closest mechanic is an hour and a half away from you. And a lot of times these guys are so booked up, you don't know nothing about those machines or how to fix them. What's that going to happen to your business? So I do advise going brand new if you're going to start your own business. If you're looking to get a carpet cleaning machine, and if you're going to go hot water extraction, start out with what you can, guys. I mean, if you get a truck mount around $13,000, there are some out there, brand new. Your payment's only going to be around $200, $250 a month, man, and that's one job. It's nothing. Once you get into this business and things start rolling, $250 is nothing. I know it's hard to see right now because you haven't started your business, but trust me, guys, once that ball starts rolling, you got a system going on. That $250 is nothing. So hope that serves you well. A little bit of advice for the entrepreneur trying to get into the carpet cleaning business. And that's with any business, really, guys. If you're going for pressure washing or whatever. See, my arm's getting tired, so I'm switching arms right now. And then it looks funny, so I gotta go back over. Also, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business and you have a limited budget, consider the electronic truck mount, portable, that you can leave inside your truck. That is so well, the performance is so well that it's like having a small truck mount. If all you need to do is run about 150 foot hose lengths, then that might be an option. This is because if you're in an area where you can't get to a mechanic, portables a lot easier to work on, right? You just replace a part, call them up, they ship a part to you, replace it if something goes wrong. So think about the future when you're thinking about getting into the business. Think about future problems and get that out of the way. Okay, so unless you know the history of a truck mount and you know for sure, which I don't know how anybody can know, You know, be careful. Don't pay too much for that truck mount, and make sure it's well maintained. Or just save up some money, or try to get a loan, put something on credit. Hey man, we all started on credit, you know. I started on credit. I got my first truck mount on credit, used. Okay, so that truck mount made me over $200,000, $250,000. I paid $5,000 for it. But I did learn, and I had to be my own mechanic, because the closest mechanic place is over an hour away, and they're always booked up. So think about this, guys. We don't want to turn down a bunch of money just because something goes wrong with our machine. So buy new, or maybe start out with a portable truck mount. Figure out what your budget is and see what you can do. All right, improvise. All right, so it's my day off. I take Mondays off, take care of things. I'm getting some hoses, swivel hoses on my new swivel ends on my new Solution hoses over here at a local hydraulic place. And yeah, luckily I have this, because this place has got me out of trouble a few times. Hoses blowing out and stuff. But all right, see you in the next video. They gotta find a better way. 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 They gotta find a better way.